It's all about Burgundy, honey, on today's Tablescape Tuesday. Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. And if this is your first time visiting the channel, let me welcome you. I hope you enjoyed today's video and you returned as a family member. So without further ado, let's get right into it, and I'll meet you in a little while. On this next fall table, I am doing Burgundy, and this is the one I'm going to leave up for the rest of the fall season. So I'm starting off with some Burgundy placemats with a little bit of gold shimmer in them. Beautiful Burgundy napkins that are laser cut with a fall leaf design. I have some thrifted napkins, originally Threshold, got them from Big Lots, $6.98. These have been in my stash for a while. Burgundy runner that I thrifted some time back. A beige tablecloth, a beautiful odd shaped vase that I got from Home Goods, a set of 2 of those, and I used one earlier this season. I'm coming in with some gold plates and then ivory plates with a beautiful design, originally from Home Goods, and these were a gift. Beautiful little pumpkin plates, gold flatware, and then I'm coming in with the signature color I'm using for this season, which is Burgundy, and some beautiful gold candle stands. So let's put this one together, and I'll bring you back to show you what the place setting is going to look like. Okay. Happy Tablescape Tuesday, all. The weekly open collab brought to you by the Ladies of Elegance, myself and Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Links to both our channels as well as the playlist can be found in my description box below. So let's jump right into this reveal. I am loving this burgundy and beige. I think it is the beautiful color for the season, and I hope you agree with me. Let me know what you think in those comments, because you know I love to hear from you, honey. I hope you enjoyed today's video and that it gives you inspiration to create a beautiful fall tablescape in your home. Let me know what you think in those comments. And if you enjoyed today's video, go ahead and give your girl a big thumbs up. It helps out so much. And consider joining the Amethyst Adventures family. Cause honey, like I always say, it's free, it's quick, and it's easy. Just go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.